Hi guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be introducing how to make a Nerf gun. If I didn't tell you, I do have a lot of Nerf guns. And my brother is just laughing because he wants to make fun of me that I don't have a YouTube channel. And I've showed you many times. And he said I have 2 subscribers. And if you want to check it now, I have 25, I think. I just started my YouTube channel like a month ago. I already have 2 videos out and I already have 25 subscribers. That is good. So I'm going to be showing how to make this Nerf gun. If you don't have this Nerf gun, use any other Nerf gun you want. Well, this is not a Nerf gun. It's backwards in the camera. It is a Makaya. I don't know what that is. And my brother's sick. That's why he made that noise. Okay. All you're gonna need first is a box. I already started to make it, so all I have to do now is just cut it. I just have to make the other side because just to make it a little bit cooler, I'm actually going to put the Nerf gun actually inside of the gun, so it's gonna be like a plastic a box for why am I saying all these weird stuff? A box gun.
With the money flying everywhere.
Why are you so? You're embarrassing yourself. All you're doing is just embarrassing yourself. I'm sorry. It's late. I tried to do this before I went to bed. Christmas spirit. There's mine. My head was blocking it. Right there. Oh yeah. Oh, I got a brand new phone. I got the iPhone 6. If you want to see it, I could show you that now.
iPhone 4.
I'm showing them right now. Look. iPhone 6.
Oh, you stay there.
You can't tell me to stay there if I don't want to. I'm not even recording you. I'm recording myself, bro. Stop it. Idiota estúpido. Oh, God. Oh, if you didn't, well, you don't know. But I am actually making my own, oh my God, the light's covering it. I'm making my own skate park. If you don't know what Tech Deck is, it's like a company that makes skateboards and stuff, like toy skateboards like these. I'm already mastered them, a few tricks. It's kind of hard to learn. So this video, I'm sponsoring Tech Deck. And they're not going to sponsor me. I sponsored them. And I already know a few tricks, though. But I can't do it that much. Because I can't do it that much here. Because it's hard. Because I'm on a small table. And a box. Cardboard. Oh. Also, if you didn't already, press the like button and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. And if I get a matter of like 15 likes, I will try to make a box for it. If I get a big box, I will try to make a box for it. Back to the video. Thanks for the blah blah blah. Sorry, I just got a thing. There. So, is this upside down? Please don't say it's upside down. Hey, that would be weird. That means you don't have to like watch upside down on your couch. So, now I'm just gonna cut this. I'm not gonna cut this little thing here. I'm only gonna cut that when I get the chance to. If you don't want to watch me cut this, you can skip the video. Oh my God, this video is already 4 minutes. It's because the The minutes are like upside down, like right up there. Right there where I'm pointing. It's upside down, so I have to go like that. Well, I'm gonna start cutting this. You might not be able to see me, but I'm using Amazon box. So if you don't, an Amazon Prime, go use it if you need to buy anything. But let's just get into this. I'm using a scissor for this. If you're small, well, like I am. Well, I'm 9. I'm in 4th grade, so I do have my parents' permission because this is not my first time. I do this a lot. And one thing about me is whenever my parents get a box, or anybody in my apartment gets a box, because we live in a house apartment that only has 3 houses. So whenever they get a box, I'm like, "Hi, this is Max or Victoria. Whenever you're done with that box, can I have it?" They've said yes before, like twice. And I might do that again because they're always getting big boxes. If they get a big box, I will do a box for it. But I don't really need to get like 15 likes. I'm just gonna do it anyways. But anyways, please give me likes. I just started my YouTube channel, and I'm a good boy. I've showed you how many subscribers are on. What?
I said new.
On my channel?
Yeah.
I don't have any new subscribers. Or do I? Oh, shout outs to Brandon. He's in my school. I know, that's a horrible name, but anyways, he's in my school. Shout outs to him because he subscribed to my channel.
Who?
Brandon. And he's Diego's homie. A 4th grader is an 8th grader's homie. It's kind of weird. This is hard. There. That's part of it. Pew. Pew, 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 pew. Okay, that's it. Cut the thing out. Does this look the same? Wait, like hold it from here. Do these look the same? Pause it because I'm gonna show it quick. Pause it to see if they look the same. Anyways, that's all you had to do. But you're gonna need. These are the things you're gonna need. A marker. That's probably Crayola, but that's what I use. God, everything appears backwards. And so you're gonna need a Crayola marker and some scissors or a box cutter or anything you can cut a box with. I do not recommend you doing it with a knife because that gives you a more chance of cutting yourself. So yeah, don't do that. I've done that before and I've hurt my fingers, and that's why I switched to using scissors. But don't use safety scissors because it's going to take you a matter of an hour to make this. But I'm going to try to make the other part of this. Ooh. Okay, so let's just get this started. Ooh, that's gonna make my phone fall, and I don't want that to fall. I don't want my phone to fall. I don't want my phone to fall. Could you see? Okay, I think you can see. I think you can see. I don't trust my phone here. Where should I put my phone? Okay, well, I'm just gonna hold it. This might be hard. Yeah. Let me do this where I have light. Okay.
Mom, how long is gonna be your video?
It's only like 10 minutes long. It's not that long for a starter. Speak for yourself. You don't have a YouTube channel.
Because you're ugly.
Like you.
Your face.
What I roasted you more because I'm like, cause like you.
I did.
Okay.
Speak for yourself, Mom. You don't always be ugly. Oh my goodness. Oh, goodness.
Okay. That's there. Okay, this is extremely hard. Okay. I'll just fast forward this. Actually, I'm gonna talk while I'm doing this. Well, as I was saying that I might do a box fort. I'm kind of a starter at box forts. Well, actually, I'm not a starter because I've made a box fort before that me and my brother were supposed to sleep in, but we couldn't fit in. We couldn't both fit inside of it, so it was only me. I slept there I didn't use my bed. I slept in there for 4 days. I slept in there Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Those were the days I slept inside of it. And it ended up to there, not just because my parents told me to put it down. They didn't say they haven't said to put it down. It's just in the middle of the night. Sorry, low battery, 20%. So yeah, in the middle of the night, the whole thing caved on me, and I kind of felt it. It's just I thought it was just one of my Nerf guns because I had Nerf guns like a Nerf gun stash, and it fell straight on me. And then my mom took off my roof, and I wake up roofless. So I'm like, "Where's my roof and my walls?" And I wake up and it's like on the floor. And that was the end of my box fort. Ugh. Tape. Okay. And I am. If you watch Logan Paul or Jake Paul, you're cool. And by the way, go subscribe to them and press the like button for them. All their videos because they're dope. Look, where's the cap? And now I'm gonna cut this. I almost forgot. Okay. What the heck? Okay. Okay, now I'm going to cut this. Okay. I will cut this now. Pick this up. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how many Nerf guns I have. I do have a lot. It's just most of them I don't have bullets for. Pew, pew, pew. Pew. Miss. There.
What the heck?
What?
Nothing.
Scared me. I'm gonna try to do this quick. For me, it doesn't have to really turn out good because I have tons of boxes and I could just make this another time. And don't just say that I have so much boxes I can just make a box for it now. I cannot. It's late night. It's like 9 o'clock. And anyways, I have to go to sleep because it's 9 o'clock and it's annoying. Well, yeah, so it's 9 o'clock in New York, or 10, I don't know. I live in New York. I live in Queens. My dad lives in the Bronx. There.
Yeah.
Nerf Maslodon. Okay. Now I just gotta cut this. This makes your fingers hurt a lot.
Shut up. I'm just talking to you. Shut up. Stop it.
Bro, I know you're talking to me.
How long is the video gonna be?
It's only 16 minutes. They could fast forward. They could skip half of the video if they don't want to see some parts of it.
They want to see you talking.
Yeah, and anyway, this is how to tell them how to make a box Nerf gun. So they really just have to, if they want, they could just skip. I have the chance to go live stream now. So if you ever want to see me go live, check that out. I want to hit the camera.
Shut up.
You shut
I'm
up.
talking to the phone.
Phones can't talk. Well, actually, they can. They can't talk because they have Siri. Are you scared? Are you scared of a scissor? Probably. Yeah. Slow motion. Yeah. Okay. So I am done with this part. So I'm done with these parts. Let's see how they fit together. Dun, dun. Close. So close. There's just those little corners.
Oh!
And all you have to do next is just you don't just tape the Nerf gun like that. You have to get the Nerf gun. Oh my god, I'm so itchy. Okay. Okay, now he's gotta color this. No, I want blank.
I'm gonna hit your butt every day. I'm gonna kick you in the hood. Because you're an idiot.
There.
It's like a monkey too. Smoking weed.
You are so
I
inappropriate.
don't say that to you. Yeah? You're crazy. You're not say too. This song is just a stupid.
Yo no te dije que podías usar el teléfono, te dije pongas a cargar tu teléfono. Te dije pongas a cargar el teléfono.
Yeah.
Getting money like my dad, like my daddy.
¿Qué te está usando el teléfono?
There's nothing to do with it. I did all my stuff. I did all my homework.
I don't have homework for boo you.
I finished all my homework. So happy now.
Ahí tengo que poner Barcelona atrás de la puerta.
Okay.
Mm.
Getting money like my dad, like my daddy.
Oops.
I remember the game Dumb Ways to
Oh my
Die.
god, don't remind me of that song. That game is retarded.
Like Dumb Ways to Die.
If you played a game Dumb Ways to Die, that's just weird because
You got a new.
that game is retarded.
Fast. I hate that game. But like, remember Dumb Ways to Die.
So many dumb ways to die. Producing Diego.
Huh? Let's do it again. Dumb ways to die.
This is perfect.
So many dumb ways to die.
Oh my god, this is just perfect.
I'm gonna get knife out. So many dumb, stupid ways to die. You stupid.
Big bang, big bang. Why you bang and you gonna bang? Yeah. Oh, I sat straight in the scissor. Oh my god, I sat straight on the scissor and it was like open. I just closed it now. Look.
Big
Oh.
bang.
Big bang, big bang.
Getting money like my dad, like my dad.
Why you mad when you got a big bang?
Why you mad?
When you got a dab bang. Skateboard trick. Skateboard trick. It's my emoji skateboard. 3, 2, 1. I failed. Is this yours? Is this yours? I kind of looked at it myself. If you don't know what that is like you just do this to someone and you just can't. Yeah, you just can't look. Or if someone does it to you, you can't look. If someone at my school watches this, if it's Troy, I'm giving you a shout out. Troy. I'm not going to talk about you, Troy, because I know you're going to be upset, like always. Oh. Why you mad? Word up. Oh my god, that scared me. Scooby Dooby Doo, where are you?
Dios te mate domingo, qué coraje.
I know, Mom, this week went so fast. If you didn't know, she said, oh boy, this week went so fast. Because all of us speak Spanish because they're Ecuadorians and I'm Dominican. And why you mad when you got it, man? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's almost close on being a Nerf gun. And why you mad when you got it? Oh my god, I gotta be careful with that part. Ooh, perfect. Ooh, I won't blink. Oh my god. god, this might be a long video. It's 24 minutes.
No, what's wrong with this phone?
Yeah. This is not the best Nerf box Nerf gun, but at least I tried. That's all that matters. At least I tried. Don't make fun of me, Troy. Even though you always make fun of me and say I make slime out of money. And also, if it says I make slime out of money, and when he says that, I'm like, and he says, so that means you're poor. I'm like, if I make slime out of money, the slime is gonna be all papery. Anyways, I have slime, and I could show you that now, or probably when I'm done with this. No. Oh, crap. Oh my god. No, this thing breaks so easily.
Technical difficulties. Where's all the tape? Ow, foot. Where is all the tape?
Ah!
Oh, that's what I'm talking about. That's exactly what I'm talking about.
This is the tape I'm talking about. Oh, yep. That's what I need. Where's the scissors? Oh my god, that was a horrible cut. Okay. I got my trunk, my overalls. Oh, hot fried chicken is what it's called. Okay, I can just throw that over there. There. And I can just load my nerf bullet in it. What the? Oh my god. How dumb of me. Oh god, tape. Oh. Look at that one. Right there. Right there. Oh, there. There's my nerf. Oh my god, stop getting stuck to me. Oh, the nerf bullet. I can't really see that. Okay. And shoot. But this part is the hardest part. Because I have to make a hole in it. Oh, hop, 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 like a bunny do. And a hop, 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 like they always do. Hop, 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 like a bunny do. And a hop, hop, really hop. And a hop, 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 like a bunny do. And a hop, 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 like they always do. Hop, 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 like a bunny do. And a hop, hop, really hop. And there's the nerf gun. And I could even cock it. Oh god, that works really well. Okay, now there's a big mess. Okay. Thank you for watching my video, and also remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and turn on the post notifications, which is the bell icon. And if anyone at my school is watching this, if you type in hashtag Keeper Squad, if you say that you turn on the post notifications and that you subscribe and leave the like, you will probably get to win slime to keep, actually. So if anybody in my school is watching this, remember to do that. And thank you for watching, and bye-bye.